Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about negative u equals to f and s. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both side. This one we have number one, so we have negative du. This one we have the s over s. Next I will put e for the both side, and we have like this. E to the power of f and s, that is about s. Next we need to change the powers. When s equals to number 0 from here, so we put number 0 gone here, so this one they will go to negative infinity. However, we have another negative sign here, negative with negative infinity in here. We have u approach to positive infinity. When s equals to number 1, we have number 1 gone here, so we put number 1 gone here, and we have u equals to number 0. Number 1 we change by number 0. Number 0 we change by positive infinity. F and s we change by negative du. This one we change by negative du. Negative u. The next one we need to put about s over s. This s we change by e to the power of negative u. The s over s we change by negative du. Next we have the formula in here. Sine of negative u, we have negative sine u. So negative and negative we simplify. Next, because we have the negatives, so we can swap the top and the bottom together. Next, we can apply the about Laplace transformation. So we have the formula in here. So this is the formula of this one, but I just use about u, so we change u like this. So we can say that f of u, that is about u sine u. And h, we say that we have negative u, that means we have negative number 1. So h equals to number 1. So we need to use about Laplace transformation. This one we have, that is about 2au over a square plus u square, everything to the power of 2. That's about ah. Now If we look carefully, 8, that is about number 1. So in this situation, we have 8 equals to number 1 when we do this integration in here. So this one we will have about this one. So we have 8 equals to number 1 and h equals to number 1. So we put number 1 gone here, h number 1 gone here. So we calculate this one and we have 1 over 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.